Hey guys, so I have this solid brass quick connect here. And so this essentially lets me, I can chop a hose and then use this to be able to connect them back together. And so this will be perfect because you can kind of, it's an easy quick connect here. It's got just an example and shows you kind of how it works. But I'll open one up here to show you guys how it works. And so it comes with a set of 2 of them. And then it comes with the rings themselves. So these are just like waterproofing rings. And so let me open one of these up to show you guys. I mean, if you're watching this video, you probably know what it is. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys kind of how it works here. So it's simple. It's nice and simple. And so this goes onto the... This is going onto the socket itself, and so it's so simple. This is it. How it works is it's got this here, and you have your hose, and if you want to connect it, you just go put it in, and then you just push this back, and then you push it in, and then let go, and then there you go. So you just push that back and pull it out. So it's super simple. I mean, if I'm walking around and I want to plug my hose in, and say I have it right here, I'm just like, okay, let's plug it in. And then now it's attached to it, and I don't have to sit there and screw it around. I can just pull it out, spray whatever I want with my hose, and then pop it back in, and then it's all good. And so this is perfect. I got 2 of them here, and so these solid brass quick connects are perfect. They're sturdy, and I'm definitely going to use it because it's just... I mean, it's that easy to get your hose off and then spray whatever you want. And then if you're watering your lawn or whatever you want normally and you have it always plugged in, you can just walk over, plug it back in, and then we're all good. And you don't have to sit there and squeeze it around and all that, which is always a pain. So this is perfect, and it comes with 2. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up.